Ka Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization CoMSO kala Sdang ya ka ialap ban pan jingkershan na baro ki nriu phongut ki MLA na kebentaban pyntreikam ya ka Special Intensive Revision SIR jongka electoral roll bat ban pynkylla ya ka Constitution Syllad Tribe Order khat khandai spa sanpho ha Meghalaya. Nila aipor ke sarkar jilla saupusan singi bakan syem ke sinjam bantho syaka Union Home Ministry Election Commission of India bat kiwi pat ki bor bdeikmi halor hini ki kam ong uchaman ka CoMSO uba Roy Kupar Sindrem hadin ke jingalang bat u presiden ka BJP u Rikmanji Momen ha ka arterik yayong. Uba Roy Kupar ula banjur halor ke jingdon kam ban Iakren bat baro ki kenhun badan benta kentup ya ki sengsan perthei. Ngin sanlej ban Iakren ya kawai pakawai ka sengsan perthei ngin ya kendu ya ki markhmat la ne pha ada ka shithi ban pan jingkershan halor ki dia ki kam bakongsan ki bakta iki paj riulu ki badai ki trai muluk ke jela ulaong. Nakaliang ka BJP Meghalaya kala ai ka jingkular ya ka CoMSO ba kidon ha ka ju ka jing angnut ha ka bayade ka jing pyntreikam ya ka SIR bat kan saya kren ru bat ki bor badai khmi. Kinsa pule kedor khas bangila ai bat kinsa shim ya ki sinjam badon kam ha ka bayade bat ka jing pynkylla ya ka ST order ong uba Roy Kupar. Ka CoMSO kala pediang skobharu ya ka jing kren jo menteri rangba ka jela ukonrat ki sangma ban kershan ya ka SIR Henry kala banjur halor ka jingdon kam ban shim ya ki sinjam ban pyntreikam ya ka. Kam day ban syukut tang ha ke jingkren Henry ban le ka kam ban rap uba Roy Kupar.
Part of the decision that was taken by CoMSO during the last executive meeting that was held, we have decided to approach the state government with two important issues that affects the indigenous tribes of the state. That is the implementation of the SIR or the Special Intensive Revision of the Electoral Roll and the amendment of the ST Order 1950. As per that decision, yesterday we have written to the Chief Minister of the state, giving him a deadline of 45 days to take steps in order to implement, in order to write to the various authorities or to get in touch with various authorities, be it the Home Ministry, be it the Election Commission of India, or any other authorities that deal with these two important issues. And we have also decided during the last meeting that our engagement will not be only with the state government, but it will be with various stakeholders. And in this fight, regarding these two important issues, we think it fit that the political parties who are in the state, which are the people of the state, the citizens of the state, have elected the elected representative to be part of the Legislative Assembly. We think that they also have a very important role in these two issues. Therefore, we have decided that we will be approaching each and every political parties that are there in the state. For some, we may be able to meet in person. Some we may not be able to meet in person, but we will be sending a letter requesting them, urging them to support us in these two issues and to call them, to urge them that they too should take proactive steps to get in touch with the state government as well as with the union government and the Election Commission of India, that the implementation of SIR is the need of the hour in the state of Meghalaya, and also the amendment of the ST Order 1950 is also very important. On that background, today we have come to meet the president of the Meghalaya BJP state unit, where we have handed over our representation to him, urging the Meghalaya state unit of the BJP that they too should take necessary steps to speak with the government of Meghalaya, to speak with the government of India and the ECI, so that these two important issues that affect the rights of the indigenous communities of the state of Meghalaya are being implemented as soon as possible. We are happy to tell you that during our discussion, even the state BJP unit of the BJP, they are in, we are on the same page when it comes to the implementation of the SIR. In fact, they also are taking proactive steps to get it, to coordinate with the authorities concerned, with the state government, that the SIR should be implemented in the state as soon as possible. And when it comes to the ST Order 1950 also, he has informed us that even the state BJP also will study the representation that you have made before the government, in which we have submitted a copy to them. Based on that representation, they too will take necessary steps in order to ensure that these two important issues that affects the indigenous communities of Meghalaya are being implemented as soon as possible. We have seen the statement made by the Honorable CM yesterday that even the government also is in line or is in the same page when it comes to SIR, and he has stated that SIR should be implemented in the state of Meghalaya. Of course, we are happy and we are thankful to the CM for making it public that he is too on the same page like the demands that were made by CoMSO. But we also want to tell him that, see, it is not only about making a statement, it is about doing the thing that is required to be done. Of course, a lot of statements can be given on various issues, but what we require as CoMSO or as the indigenous people of the state is that the Honorable CM, the state government of Meghalaya, should take proactive steps. Get in touch, coordinate with the union government, coordinate with the Election Commission of India in order to ensure that SIR should be implemented as soon as possible in the state of Meghalaya.